Listener note. This episode contains adult content and language. This may not be suitable for all listeners.
First up, a content warning. This video will include discussions of racist language and historical events of violence against people of color.
This issue of Keling, Prime Minister kata bahasa Keling. I am also from Kampung Penang, and I grew up part of my life in Penang, and Mahathir semualah orang utara semua kat India. India kita panggil Keling, and some of my uncles yang mana yang Indian yang ada semua tu, mereka pun refer to themselves as Keling. Kita orang Keling. It is not derogatory. Kalau orang nak intend to be derogatory, sometimes kat orang Penang yang racist tu dia panggil Hindu, panggil macam Hindu. Itu dia kata macam tu. They say that they mean it as derogatory. But Keling, in my 50 years of life, I've never experienced anyone in my kampung ke, my family ke, that insult somebody by calling them Keling. Keling is not insult. In no way is it an insult to orang utara. We don't mean it as an insult kalau kata Keling. And I never knew that anybody was insulted until lately. Lately, Indian, especially Tamil speaking, in KL, the urban areas, are very insulted by the word Keling. So jadi kalau orang-orang India Tamil dengar ni, firstly I want to declare one thing lah. My father's father is from Nagapatnam. Okay, he's fully Indian and he's Tamil speaking. My father also speaks a bit of Tamil. My grandfather from my mother's side ada Kashmir punya influence sikit. So therefore, I got quite a fair share of Indian blood pun. Now, I am used to the word Keling, and it's never meant to be derogatory, coming from Utara. Jadi, I want to ask the Tamil-speaking Indian brethren, okay? This is a sincere question. What we know, okay, now I just stated now, is normal. Keling ni is a normal word in Penang used to describe orang India. And most of this Keling is actually Muslim. Mamak Keling lah. Jadi apa ni, and I already declared that it is not intended to be derogatory. Bukan panggil tu untuk bagi derogatory. It's just referring to a particular race. Okay, tetapi, okay, that's another, now let's talk about another fact. Another fact is, Indians kat urban ni, sekarang ni, including the guy in this video ni, bagi dia, it is an insult. It is derogatory and Indians marah. So, now, from what I know some Indians are very upset about that word and they don't like it. So, if they don't like it, okay, I won't use it lah. Jadi, kalau kawan-kawan dekat sini, I will be sure that I don't use the word Keling. Because they may misconstrue and they may think that I'm insulting them. So, if a friend, our friend, or our brethren, or anybody that another person, tak menyenangi any words we call to refer to them, then we don't use that lah. Okay? Some people don't like to be even called by their name. Jadi, that's fine. Tapi boleh tak somebody, kalau siapa-siapa comment to this, it will really help, rather than be defensive or offensive ke, tak payah. Explain to me, kalau the word Keling tu is derogatory, what to those who find it offensive to be called Keling, please tell me, explain to me, and also Melayu dan orang-orang yang bukan Tamil speaking lah, what is Keling sebenarnya to you? Why is it derogatory to you? Kenapa benda tu insult? How is it an insult? For example, macam I panggil you, you are a real babi lah. So if I call you babi, Maknanya I am insulting you because I regard babi as dirty, as greedy, as filthy, and stupid. Jadi I panggil babi tu, that's what I intend. I panggil babi punya perangai. Jadi orang yang terima tu pun get upset because they understand it the way I intended it to be. Tapi bila orang utara panggil benda keling ni semua ni, dia tak intend yang tu, tapi somebody else get upset because they don't intend that as an insult. Jadi orang yang terima sebagai insult tu boleh tak tolong cerita how is it insulting? What does keling means? Keling ni apa? Is it slave ke? Is it paria ke? Apa? What do the Tamil speaking Indians understand as keling that orang yang macam saya ni, yang biasa dengan the word keling ni, tak understand? Tolong bagi understand. I think that pencerahan is better than this kind of video. This kind of video nak suruh PM apologize. PM dah apologize. Aku dah tengok video dah. He apologize. He said kalau orang misunderstood, dia quote dalam buku tu bahasa keling because that buku kata bahasa keling, bahasa apa semua tu. So dia baca, dia ikut yang tu. And bagi dia, coming from Penang, from utara, bagi dia pun dia dah biasa pakai the word keling. It's normal. I dengar keling all the time. And it is not even an insult. And we cakap depan orang India pun, orang India pun tak marah, mesra lagi. This is utara. Tapi South ni, kat bawah ni orang upset. Jadi help, you can build a better Malaysia by making all non-Tamil speaking Indians understand how is this keling word derogatory. Tamil tak derogatory, tapi keling derogatory. So what about keling tu? Apa yang kotor ataupun hina pasal ada word keling tu? Tolong explain. Maybe I tak tahu. I want to learn something. Okay. And then this guy juga also want to make advances. That dia kata all the other Tamil speaking punya ministers and deputy ministers can't stand up against this. Now firstly I nak tanyalah those ministers pun Indian speaking ministers, tolong terangkanlah, is it insulting? Kalau insulting, bagi tahu kat PM why is it insulting. But my guess is they themselves don't feel it's insulting. They themselves think that people are making a mountain out of a molehill. I think so. This is what I suspect. Tapi kalau if I'm mistaken, please correct me and ministers buat statement, explain. I saw Saravanan punya surat pada Anwar Ibrahim. Dia pun kata, pakai word ni sensitif lah, apa semua tu. Tapi cuma Saravanan punya letter pun tak menyatakan what is it about the keling word that is insulting. Tak sebut. Jadi I don't see this anywhere. I'm hoping to get this. And dia propose ada minister lain, tambah lagi minister, full minister yang speaking Tamil, supaya that person will stand up. Kalau siapa-siapa kata keling lagi, dia akan say something unlike the other ministers. Firstly, minister is minister lah. Bos dia is prime minister. Jadi dia tak stand up doesn't mean dia tak ada telur ke, dia tak berani ke. No. Maybe dia tak rasa benda tu isu. Maybe dia bagi dia is a non-issue. It's perkara biasa. Tapi I also have to acknowledge the fact lah, bukan satu dua je orang yang Tamil speaking yang insulted, upset pasal dua kali ni. Ramai orang upset pasal ni. Jadi please, my Tamil speaking brethren, siapa-siapa dengar ni, boleh tak tolong tulis sikit and explain sikit what about bas keling ni. Kalau tak tahu jangan teka, jangan temberan, jangan tembak je. Please, siapa yang tahu tu explain why keling ni is derogatory. It will help because you can make Malays and Chinese and orang lain understand that if they use the word keling, it is hurtful and how it is hurtful and why is it hurtful. Jadi people can be more conscious. Jadi kalau if lepas ni orang dah tahu, orang dah conscious, dia panggil juga keling, maknanya dia make intention is to insult lah, faham tak? Ini orang pakai the word keling ni, dia tak intend to insult orang, dia tak ada niat nak insult or be derogatory pun, pasal dia orang utara. Tapi orang yang dengar is hurt by it, is offended by it, is insulted by it. Itu tak bagus. That's not the way to build a better Malaysia. Faham tak? There is a quarters of some quarters of people say things that they don't know is offensive, and some people are offended and ask them to apologize. Jadi apa ni, kita tak maulah because kalau benda tu explain dah faham and how it's hurtful, everybody must know that kaum India, it is very hurtful to them kalau pakai the word keling, because keling means this is derogatory in this manner. This is what it means. Low class ke, paria ke, bodoh ke, apa ke, what? Apa dia? Penyangak ke, penyamun ke, what does keling ni means? Jadi after you understand tu and make sure it's consistent, then I think Menteri Perpaduan ataupun Menteri Penerangan Fahmi Fadzil kena cerita kat orang apa dia, apa maksud dia. Okay, to me, Muslim refer to orang non-Muslim, dia ni kafir. That to me is insulting. Panggil non-Muslim kafir, that is insulting. I dengar tu I marah bila Muslim panggil non-Muslim kafir. Because I understand what the meaning of the word kafir is. Kafir means ingkar, kufur. Maknanya you are calling orang tu, dia langgar, dia salah. You are labeling that person orang yang salah, that is against God's ordainment. Jadi it's a negativity punya, you are vexing that person with the negativity punya tu, and you discount dia, kata tak apalah dia kafir. Ini orang kafir, jangan percaya dia. Nampak? The word kafir ni, the way the Malays use it, that to me is derogatory. Tapi yang tu I tak nampak lah banyak sangat Indian ataupun Chinese yang offended. Siapa yang faham mungkin offended lah. Tapi this word keling ni, betul-betul Indians marah sangat. Jadi I betul-betul sincerely nak tahu. I tak mau refute. Kalau katakan 5-6 orang Indians comment and explain keling ni derogatory macam mana and semua konsisten, then you guys would have taught me something. And I think we need to spread this, because this is a general punya fahaman of all Tamil speaking people of what keling means and how hurtful it is. So if that is the general punya acceptance, how they receive it, then the rest will know, let's not use the word keling anymore. Dia tak suka and benda tu hurt them. Even though we may mean something else by saying the word keling. Okay? So I hope this can be constructive, and kita tak payahlah nak kena ada minister yang cakap Tamil ke apa. Why? Pasal kalau kita semua understand, Cina punya minister pun should get upset lah kalau dah tahu keling ni hurtful and kenapa it's hurtful, how is derogatory. Kalau disebut Cina punya MP ke, Melayu punya MP ke, menteri kan, should be sila mana boleh kata macam ni. Why are we hurting other Malaysians? So tak payah perlu Indian speaking punya minister to be able to say that. That is a racist punya suggestion. Minister yang appointed ni is to perform dia punya portfolio. There is no particular minister untuk jaga orang India, particular minister untuk jaga orang Melayu, particular minister untuk jaga orang Cina. Tak lah. What's with the racist punya portfolios ni? Ngarut lah. Jadi this guy pun kata say no to racism. Okay, begin with the man in the mirror first. You bila cakap macam tu bunyi macam racist. I'm hoping you're not lah. Jadi I hope we get a response from this, and I hope it's clarified. PM Anwar memang tak intend to insult siapa-siapa. He apologize pun. Dia kata kalau tak ni suka ni, dia akan be careful, dia tak akan cakap lagi dah. So there's no reason to rub it in and make a mountain out of a molehill. Okay, but for me, I'm just starting this to minta Indian semua to speak up. Speak up please, explain why keling ni insulting. Jangan kata insult ke apa jadi defend. No, terangkan, please explain, be explicit. Keling ni maksud dia ini. To us, we understand keling ni is derogatory and insulting this way, this manner macam tu. Bagi kita faham, bagi semua kaum faham, and then kita akan spread benda tu. And kalau benda tu is a general accepted punya understanding by most Tamil speaking Indians, then we must jaga sensitivity of that segment of kita punya brethren in this country. Okay?
So if you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
Anything in this video resonated with you, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, leave a comment, and as always, don't forget to subscribe.